Hey, Dana here. Yeah, welcome to my vlog. I spy a Stang. I spy a 2014 black, all black. Nice set of calipers on it. Aftermarket, A&M's. A&M aftermarket, and we are talking 255s, 255, 35 R20s. Awesome.
And at my house, we'll be able to see the hologram.
And there was Sting, and it is she's all blacked out. I like that. And it is a 6-speed with the 3.7 all blacked out. All right, I actually got a chance to ride in this, and look cool dials. Center console. Everything's got the blue tint. Now you can adjust this. You can make it basically any color you want, green, red. And now you can't see the hologram, it's not dark, but everything is blue. That's awesome. It gave me a chance to ride in it. Headlights still on. Power seats. Okay. Oh yeah. Turn them off. Sweet. Unfortunately, you can't see the hologram. Awesome. I still have the lights on, right? Huh. That's because I left the keys on. Okay. What the headlights? Maybe they'll automatically go off after a couple minutes. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, don't forget to share.